everybody, CindyALewis here. Welcome. It is time for the November 22nd Friday giveaway. I am giving away this cute stamp set. Bear with me a little bit. It is this set, and I know it's really close, but now you have a really close-up view of it. Cute, cute, cute. So, got the URL from last week's video here. And let's see. Oh, well, let's see if this works. So we're gonna pick a winner. I think it works. Lori, there it is. Lori Willitzer, you have won this week's giveaway. Thank you, Lori, for participating. Congratulations. I believe I do have your address, so sorry, you guys, sorry. It's been a day. Let me show you what next week's giveaway is. Okay, so Friday giveaway next week is this cute stamp set. There are about 19 little gnomes on here. So cute. And I hope you like these. I know it's very close, but that way you can see. Put the words Friday giveaway in the comments below. You have to be 18 or older, US or Canada only. Do have to be a subscriber for my channel because this is celebrating you. And I hope you have a great Friday. Thanks so much for watching. Congratulations to our winner, which is Lori Willitzer. So thanks so much for watching for this week's winner drawing. I can't even talk today. Thanks so much for watching. You guys have a great weekend.